Understanding Cake Flavor, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic: the phrase, cake flavor. If you love cakes or are just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's explore what this phrase means and how it's used in everyday language. The term, cake flavor, refers to the specific taste or variety of a cake. It's not just about the basic taste like sweet or bitter, but rather the specific kind of cake like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, etc. This phrase is often used in bakeries, parties, or when discussing dessert preferences. For example, what cake flavor do you prefer for your birthday? This bakery offers a wide range of cake flavors. Cake flavor can be used in various scenarios, not just while literally talking about cakes. It can be a metaphor for personal preferences or choices in different aspects of life. For instance, just like choosing a cake flavor, selecting the right career is about personal preference. Life offers a variety of cake flavors. It's up to you to choose which one you want to taste. In many English-speaking cultures, cakes are a big part of celebrations like birthdays, weddings, and anniversaries. Discussing cake flavor is common and reflects the personal touch and care put into these events. For example, for our wedding, we chose a unique cake flavor that represented both of our tastes. Sometimes, learners of English confuse cake flavor with cake filling or icing. Remember, cake flavor is about the actual taste of the cake itself, not the filling or the icing on top. For example, the cake flavor was lemon, but it had a raspberry filling and vanilla icing. I hope this video helped you understand the phrase, cake flavor, and its various uses in English. Remember, language learning is like tasting different cake flavors. There's so much to explore and enjoy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.